Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration, so I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon, so when I post my new video you will get the notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see the first picture. This picture you can see very beautiful, the green color walls and all, very beautiful looking, very beautiful look, and the bed and all. This one also very expensive room. You can see the lights and all on the wall, the chairs and the floor, very beautiful decoration and design, looking very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the pink color bed theme, and the floor you can see wooden theme, very good decoration and design. This one also very beautiful. You can see the bed, you can see the floor down, you can see the lamps and all, and the lights, very beautiful lights and all good. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the floor, the bed down, you can see the cupboards and all, very beautiful. This one also you can see the down, you can use laptop, or a down place you can use laptop, or you can teach someone. It is very beautiful. And the up you can sleep, very beautiful. This one also you can go up and down, you can see it for your study. It is very beautiful. It is very good decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the books and all up, you can see beautiful. The table you can see laptop and all, and the chairs, the trolley and all. This one also you can see pink color theme and all, and the lights, the mirror you can see very beautiful. The floor and all, very beautiful pink color theme. This one also very beautiful. You can see the cat, and the floor you can see wooden theme. The wall decoration also very beautiful. The bulbs and all. And this all, which room you like, which room decor you like, so please don't forget to comment me down. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the small plants and all, the butterflies, the photo frames, very beautiful frames. This is also a normal room, very beautiful. You can see the white color bed, the lamp, the mirror, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the cotton, the small plants, the frame and all, and the bed, the wooden theme, very beautiful. This one also you can see blue purple color, beautiful decoration. You can see the small bulbs and all, and the photos on the wall and the floor, very beautiful. This one also you can see the lamp on the table, you can see purple color, and the wall also beautiful. Pictures are there, posters are there. This one also you can see the mirror, the MacBook, the lights, beautiful lights and all. It is looking very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can keep your expensive shoes or shirts and all for decoration, or you can keep for then after you can wear it. It's very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can sit down cupboard in the bed. So I hope you like this. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon, so I will post my new video, you will get the notification first. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, so don't forget to comment. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.